My dear friends, today I want to share with you a story of resilience, forgiveness, and divine providence. It's the story of Joseph from the book of Genesis, a story that holds a powerful message for anyone feeling weak in their faith and in need of encouragement. Joseph, the son of Jacob, was favored by his father, which aroused jealousy and hatred among his brothers. They plotted against him, eventually selling him into slavery and telling their father that he had been killed by a wild animal. Joseph found himself in a foreign land, far from his family and everything he knew. Despite the injustices he faced, Joseph remained faithful to God. He trusted in God's plan for his life, even when circumstances seemed bleak. Through various trials and tribulations, including being falsely accused and imprisoned, Joseph continued to honor God and serve faithfully wherever he was placed. Eventually, God elevated Joseph to a position of great authority in Egypt, second only to Pharaoh himself. Joseph used his position to bring about reconciliation and forgiveness, ultimately saving his family from famine and restoring their relationship. Joseph's story is a testament to the faithfulness of God and the power of forgiveness. Despite the hardships and betrayals he endured, Joseph remained steadfast in his faith and continued to trust in God's plan for his life. His unwavering faithfulness ultimately led to redemption and reconciliation for himself and his family. When you feel weak in your faith, remember Joseph's example. Like him, you may find yourself in difficult circumstances, facing challenges that seem insurmountable. But know that God is with you, just as he was with Joseph. He sees your struggle and knows the plans he has for you. Trust in God's providence and sovereignty. Even in the midst of adversity, he is working all things together for your good. Like Joseph, hold fast to your faith and continue to serve God faithfully, knowing that he is able to turn your trials into triumphs. No matter how hopeless your situation may seem, remember that God is able to redeem and restore. He can take the broken pieces of your life and turn them into something beautiful. Trust in his unfailing love and his promise to never leave you nor forsake you. Stand firm in your faith, be courageous, and hold on to hope. God is faithful and he will see you through every trial and tribulation. Like Joseph, believe that God has a purpose and a plan for your life and trust him to bring it to fruition in his perfect timing. Amen.